Hi and welcome to another day of Python programming. Your challenge now is to change the color of the text and give it a font and size. How would you do that? All right, let's give it a go. So if we build this one, let's have a look at it previously. Where'd it go? Oops, F5. That's weird. Oh, that's a bit strange. It won't run it. I'll close it and start it again. There we go. So that's working. Now, how do we change the font and the color? So in here is where we do it, where we set up our label. First, we've got the text. So let's say, let's set the font to Times. All right, that's good. Now we can add some more attributes to this. I'm going to put a comma there, and on the next line, I'm going to change the color to, so let's go FG. That's, I'm guessing, the foreground, and we'll set it to, let's try purple. So just type in the color, comma, and then the next line, our font will equal, and we just put in the name of the font, and we can even set the size. So you can say 20 and then the type of font. So times 20 bold. That's that. And then we pack that. Now I had pack on the next line. You could even put that on the end of that label there. All right, let's have a look at this. And there we go. It's purple and it's using the Times font. Let's try another font. Let's try Verdana. It's a good one. There we go. It looks pretty good. So that's how to alter the color and the style of your font of your label.